just like a man. He sat at the dinner table with a discontented frown. The potatoes and the steak were underdone, and the bread was baked too brown. The pie was too sour, and the pudding too sweet, and the roast was much too fat. The soup so greasy too, and salty, 'twas hardly fit for the cat. I wish you could eat the bread and pie I have seen my mother make. They are so nice, and would do you good, just to look at a loaf of her cake. Said the smiling wife, I'll improve with age. Just now I'm but a beginner. But your mother has come to visit us, and today she has cooked the dinner.